Welcome to the channel where we help you to learn fast so you can become a confident and successful investor. That sounds interesting to you? In the description below, we've got some free courses, and do consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. All right, so let's answer a simple question. When does a bear market end, right? When does the bad times go away and the good times come? And when is it kind of more officially, decided that a bear market is ending? And there's different viewpoints on this, but really what most people think of, certainly, experts in the field or whatever, is that a bear market in the stock market, for example, will end when prices or the stock prices of the broader market, like the S&P 500 and all that, it rises 20% above its previous low, right? So stocks, let's say in this example, stocks have come down in price, they're bouncing around these lows, and then they go up maybe, and then maybe they go down, but at some point they go up to a point where they're 20% above, the bottom part of where they bottom out. That's when the idea is that a bear market is over, is once it rises 20%. But also what you'll see is you'll see things in terms of behavior happening too. You're going to see more positive news. You're going to see better earnings from companies. You're going to see people who are more optimistic. Investors are more optimistic. People are buying. They're putting more money into the stock market, whether it's individual stocks or mutual funds or ETFs. Money is coming out of more safer, quote, safer investments like bonds and cash, and coming back into higher return investments like the stock market. So money is flowing into the stock market. So that's when a bear market ends, is when it's, stocks rise 20% above their previous low. Basically, definition around the bear market and when it'll end.